Hey, my friend Garrett Berry here from growwithgarrett.com. Now, chances are you're watching this video because you're looking for how to make extra money from home. Maybe you're working a job right now, or maybe you're just home and you want more extra money coming in just from the comfort of maybe working on your computer or your smartphone. Well, you're in the right place, my friend, because I've been actually making extra money online for the last 4 years. And if you've seen my channel before, you know I've been helping tons of other people do that. And what I want to share with you is not only a way to start bringing in money pretty quickly, but I also want to share with you a way that is long-term. You know, a lot of these ways to make extra money, if you've researched, you may see things like doing surveys or selling things on Craigslist. Now, yes, you can actually make extra money pretty quickly doing that, but once you sell that item or once you do that survey, which you're not going to make much money doing surveys. You know, I used to try that when I first hopped online, and I highly recommend against that, especially if you want to make a good income. And even if you want to replace your income and quit your job eventually, then surveys and things like that is really not the way to go. So what I want to share with you is, first off, you know, proof that I am actually making money. I'm going to have a screenshot up here. This is actually a couple days ago what I was able to make, and I make this on a day-to-day basis, okay? Also, by the way, I'm going to include a link below in the description. So if you want more proof and proof that other people are going to use the method I'm about to share with you, you can go and click that link at any time in this video. But if you want to make extra money, what I've personally found trying tons of things, I mean, I sold items on eBay, I did drop shipping, you know, I've tried trading, you know, if you've heard of Forex, maybe you haven't, but I've tried all these different things. And what I personally believe the fastest way to make money online is something called affiliate marketing. Now, what affiliate marketing is in a nutshell is you find a product online and you just recommend someone like you would recommend your friend to a movie. And every time someone buys that product through your own link, you're actually getting paid a commission. Now, there's lots of different affiliate programs out there. I've done a lot of reviews on my channel. Some of them pay you very tiny amount of money. You know, you may get dollars you know, for recommending that product. For example, like Amazon, you can go to Amazon.com, find a TV that you have or that you like. You can recommend someone to, you know, get that TV. They go through your link, they buy the TV, and you're making money. Now, you can do that, but what I personally recommend is joining a program that already has products done for you that pay out 100% commissions. Now, there's very few opportunities online that are like that. You know, I've searched, like I said, for the last 4 years. Many of them pay you very small amount on that sale. But what I'm going to invite you to do is actually head to the link below or go to growwithgarrett.com. When you head to that page and put your email in, you're going to get sent totally free information on exactly how this program that I'm personally using and my students have been using totally works. You know, you don't need any background. You don't need a lot of time. You know, if you have about 30 minutes to an hour a day to just follow the simple steps and the training that you get, you can actually start promoting online, making referrals to these products and earning some extra money from home. Again, you know, I would stay away from surveys. I would stay away from doing eBay, Craigslist. If you really want to make a long-term extra income and eventually even, you know, replace your job income and work full-time from home to do the things you love to do with the people you love doing it with, again, I highly recommend you check out my #1 affiliate program below and check that out. Anyway, my friend, I hope this helped you. I hope you now know kind of what to stay away from and what I personally recommend after 4+ years online of making extra money, what I think you should go with. And if you like this video, be sure to like it. Leave me any comments if you have any questions. I've been doing this for a while and I love helping people. And last but not least, feel free to go to the link below and check that out, my friend. I really think you're going to like it. Thanks so much.